Hello everyone, we are on step 30 of learning HTML forms by building a registration form on freeCodeCamp.org. Step 30. To finish this field set off, link the text terms and conditions in the third label to the following location. Okay, so remember, we're only trying to do this to the text terms and conditions, and you use an A element to do this. So I have A, href, that's for your link. I'm going to copy and paste this. And we'll put that there, like that. And that will make this have a link. And we need to make sure it is only around that, like that. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you next time.